Today we will see about the urd dal recipe. In South India we are using mostly, even it started from making vada and bondas we are making, and it is usually given for the various recipes we are giving for the Menaki children who are attending Menaki. Main dishes we are giving, main health purposes, rich in calcium and reduce source of iron. It helps in weight loss, it helps in immune system, boosts our energy level. It has got 100 gram, 350 kilocalorie, carbohydrate 60 gram, fat is less 1.5 gram, dietary fiber is 29 gram of dietary fiber. It is like a broken urd dal. It is in a two form, black and the white urd dal will be there. So let us see how to make a bonda. So you have to wash and soak it in the water. So once you are soaking it water, you can soak it for nearly 45 minutes. So that the same water you have to use it. So you should not throw. Once you are washing it, while you are washing it and soaking it, so this water again washing, it will lose its ingredients and all will be getting wasted. So you can use the same water, use your big jar and spray the water. You should not pour the water, and in between you stop and check it whether it is grinded or not. Now it does needed water, so you cannot pour water, you have to sprinkle or you can spray the water. Even in a grinder also we will do it, and the big mixie jar, in slowly little you can do, at a time you cannot make it. And how this is the correct this one. So if it is so much watery, it will be good for making dosa, this one. But in the for this vada or the other recipe, it does need it. You take it in one bowl and you have to add it into so many ingredients. You have to add onion, and you can add little ginger, and you can, if it is a curry leaf is there, that curry leaf also you can add it. This onion and other things you have to cut into small pieces. So the ginger also is very good for health. Small onion usually will be available, but here small onion not available. You can use salt, needed amount of the salt. After adding the salt, you can mix it, all the onion and ginger and the green chili can be added, and mix it. Once you mix it very well, it will be ready for making a recipe. And you can use any oil for this. You can even use the mustard oil, but we as South Indians, we are fond of using groundnut oil, so better to use the groundnut, or whatever the oil we are using. The oil it's ready for using for the frying. The oil cannot be reused many times. So you can use the iron pot. We are using the groundnut oil in the iron pot. uh, it is small, you can put it in the iron pot, will be very good for the health. The flame you have to keep it as a medium flame. Very high flame also, it will be dark in color, and inside the flour will not be fried it properly. It will burn and it will not. So deep fry in the oil is very important. And you can, why you have to make it in the home, because big kadai they are using, onion kadai only the shop using, but the big kadai there is oil, they will be putting, reusing the oil, and we do not know what kind of oil they are using. Usually the cheap oil, palm oil they will be using. That will be the highly saturated fatty acids. Even good oil, if at all the groundnut oil only using madam this shop, okay, if they repeatedly using that oil, will turn into saturated fatty acid. This will bring some atherosclerosis and about the heart diseases. So what we can do, that is the thing, we are motivating the patients and the clients to make what needed amount of vada, or make it with your mixie jar, and you can use it and eat at home. So 2 times you can use it, and the third time the remaining oil you can use it for frying the vegetables or seasoning the sambar, or any other purpose you can use it and finish the oil. So it is a very because I am very sorry, because I don't know, my mother and all will be putting some hole and putting, I don't know to make all these things, but we can use it. The taste will be same, but the appearance will be this. That's why I name it as a bonda. So you can consume it with Bengal gram chutney or the groundnut chutney. Here Bengal gram I couldn't get it. They are not understanding my language. So what I thought, okay, I can make a groundnut chutney with coconut also. So with the coconut, the ground recipes of the groundnut, coconut chutney will be very tasty to eat with this one. So what you have to do, you have to take a coconut and you have to take some groundnuts you can have, and you can put one chili, you can put it green chili and ginger and one garlic. So you can grind it very well and you can make a chutney, and like what you are eating for dosa and other things. No need to remove the peel the groundnut. You can grind it very well and put it and add the needed amount of salt, and you can use the mustard oil and season it with onion. You can season it and you can eat with the chutney. It's a very good recipe. Thank you.